In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Rakuten with AMEX. If you prefer earning travel rewards over cash back, this quick setup will route your Rakuten earnings directly into American Express membership rewards points. I'll walk you through the process and share a few helpful tips along the way so everything connects smoothly. First, log into your Rakuten account. You can do this on the website or in the app, whichever you're most comfortable with. Once you're in, head to your account settings. This is where Rakuten keeps all your personal preferences, including how you receive your earnings. Inside account settings, look for the section called How You Get Paid. This is normally set to cash back by default. You're going to switch this so that Rakuten sends membership rewards points instead. Select membership rewards points as your preferred payout option. This change simply tells Rakuten you want your future eligible earnings to be credited as points rather than cash. Next, Rakuten will prompt you to sign in to your American Express account to connect it. Go ahead and sign in with your standard American Express credentials within the secure window that appears. This authorizes Rakuten to send your rewards directly to your membership rewards account. If you have multiple American Express cards, make sure at least one of them earns membership rewards points, since co-branded cards that don't earn membership rewards won't be compatible for this connection. If you use multi-factor authentication, just complete that as you normally would. After you've signed in, you should see a confirmation that your accounts are linked. From here on out, Rakuten will send points instead of cash back. That means your eligible Rakuten earnings will show up as membership rewards points, giving you access to flexible redemptions like travel transfers, statement credits, and more. Keep in mind, this change applies going forward. It won't retroactively convert past cash back you've already been paid. A few quick tips to keep things easy. Double-check that the name on your Rakuten profile matches your American Express account details to avoid any hiccups. If you ever want to switch back to cash back, you can return to the same How You Get Paid section and update your preference at any time. And if you don't see points right away, that's normal. Rewards typically appear according to Rakuten's regular payout timeline. That's it. You've linked Rakuten with American Express, and your future eligible earnings will now be sent as membership rewards points. Thanks for watching, and enjoy maximizing your rewards.